How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another food quest video. Today we are going to be trying out American candies. As you can see, we have lots and lots of candies here, of snacks. So guys, first things first, I don't know where I'm going to start. I'm going to be reading out the snacks that we're going to be trying. These are chunky milk chocolate with peanuts and raisins. We have Harley's cookies and cream. Cadbury is here in Kenya, but we don't have these flavors. We have Black Forest cake from Cadbury. We also have Rock and Road Cadbury dairy milk. These are chocolates. Sellers milk chocolates. Delicious cherries covered with real milk chocolate. We have an M&M's. These ones I know we have here in Kenya. We have Kisses cherry cordials. Kisses. We have Lay's. These are barbecue flavored. Also, these are Lay's, classic Lay's. This one's also you can find in Kenya. We have M&M peanuts. We have Jelly Belly tropical mix. These ones looks like they look like what are these? I've forgotten the name, but they are jelly beans. We also have Jelly Belly, 30 flavors. We are going to try all 30 of them. Today candy is going to make me sick. We have Cheetos, Puffs. We have Doritos, Cool Ranch. We have Lay's, this one the same. Also, these are Lay's Classics. These are Lay's Salt and Vinegar. We also have M&M's Crunchy Cookies. We have M&M's Milk Chocolates. We have Reese's. We have Harley's Milk Chocolate. We have Snickers, which we have here in Kenya. We have Kit Kat here in Kenya. And I guess that's everything that we're going to be trying out today. Yeah. So let's begin with these crisps. These are Cheetos. They call them Cheetos Puffs. I'll be drinking a lot of water in this video. The thing I've noticed about every candy is here in America, all of them have big calories. As you can see here, all these candies have calories. The calories they have in big letters and numbers. So let's start with these crisps. I had already opened these Lays, but I had not tested them. I'll be testing everything here for the first time. Also, these Kit Kats and Snickers I've never tried them before. So everything here I'm trying for the first time. They're a little bit too salty, but I guess the Lay's Classic are the salt flavors, only salt, but they're a bit too salty for me. Let me try one more time. Yeah, the salt in the Lay's is very, you can really taste the salt in them. Let's try another brand. These are Cheetos made with real cheese. 140 calories. I'll be reading the calories, but I'll not be finishing all these snacks. They look like what are these things that children in Kenya eat? Ringos. They look like ringos in Kenya. I really like how they taste. They don't taste like ringos in Kenya. Taste like you know Royco. They taste like they've been seasoned with Royco. This one's taste I can't describe the taste, but they are very, very good. 140 calories. The next thing we're going to be trying is Lay's barbecue flavor. How many calories? 150 calories. Ooh. They have they smell like barbecue sauce because they're barbecue flavored. I don't like how they taste. That's not the flavor for me. We have Doritos, 150 calories. Let me get a full piece. And this one is almost perfect. Cool ranch flavor. I'll be trying more Doritos with different flavors in future. So as you can see, it has as you can see how it looks. It has some spices which are colorful. Let me try the Doritos Cool Ranch flavor. Not very nice. Let me get more water. I have more water here. Cool ranch flavor, not the flavor for me. I think we are done with that. I've tried Lay's salt and vinegar, not yet, but it's open. Let's try salt and vinegar. I have to say this Lay's have a lot of salt. Let me try this one. When they say salt and vinegar, it's really salt and vinegar. You can really taste the vinegar. (160 calories). But the thing with these crisps, they are really, really crunchy. They're really, really crunchy. So this was Lay's salt and vinegar flavored. I think we're done with the crisps. Let me wash them out. Wash them down, not up. We have a lot of chocolate, so I guess I'll be doing that last. Let me try these jelly beans. These are Jelly Belly. As you can see, made in the US. These ones are not in Kenya. I've not seen them yet. We have lots of flavors here. Let me read them out. We have blueberry, bubblegum, buttered popcorn, cappuccino, caramel cone, chocolate pudding, coconut, cotton candy, cream soda, Dr. Pepper, French vanilla, green apple, juicy pear, lemon lime, licorice, orange sherbet, peach, pina colada, pomegranate, red apple, root beer, sizzling cinnamon, strawberry cheesecake, sun-kissed tangerine, toasted marshmallow, top banana, tutti frutti, very cherry, and watermelon flavors. All are in here. I don't think I'll try all the flavors, but I'm intrigued to taste the top banana, sweet, and what? Licorice, I don't know what that is. Dr. Pepper, I know Dr. Pepper is a soda here. What else? Yeah, let's get into it. I'm not going to try all the flavors, but I'm just trying some of them. They smell really nice. You can see how they look. This is how they look. So I'm trying the green one, which is the green one is green apple. Let me try the green apple. The flavors are a bit pale, they are not very punchy. Let me try another flavor. Let me try the buttered popcorn. This one right here. The buttered popcorn is really nice. It tastes like butter. It's really nice, the buttered popcorn. Let me check another one that I'm going to be trying. Pink is the blue bubblegum flavor. You really have to bite it so that you can it's just bubblegum. Yeah, the taste is just familiar, bubblegum flavor. But I'm still intrigued with the buttered popcorn flavor. It's really nice. Let me try another flavor. The yellow. Peach. Let's try the peach flavor. These strawberry flavors are common flavors. I'm not going to be trying all this. Let me try this, the last one. I forgot it. Peach. Yeah, it tastes like peach fruit. But I forgot to read out the calories. They are 110 calories. For these jelly bellies, they are very nice. You can be snacking on them when you are traveling for long distances. I really loved the butter popcorn. I hope there's a full bag of this butter popcorn, all these beans, all in butter popcorn flavor. I'm going to be looking for them. Let's try this tropical mix. This one was 30 flavors. This one is a tropical mix. For this, we don't have all these flavors. We have a couple of them: blueberry, cantaloupe, coconut, crushed pineapple, green apple, island punch, kiwi, sun-kissed, lemon lime, mango, peach, pina colada, sun-kissed, pink grapefruit, strawberry, tangerine, and top banana. I hope to find the top banana there. That one is the one that I wish to taste. So some flavors that are here are also here, but there are some here that are not here. Let's try the, I'm not going to blueberry because I can see there are a lot of them. Let's try the blueberry flavor. Here's the blueberry. Let's try another one. I didn't like that one. Mango flavored. Just tastes like mango. What else? Let's try one last flavor. I'm looking for a top banana. You can see it, a top banana. This is a top banana flavor. I can't really taste the banana. Yeah, so those were jelly beans, 30 flavors, and the tropical mix. What should we do next? I think we are remaining with chocolates. M&Ms. Let me sort them out. Resist. Cadbury has this. These flavors are all the same. They're not in different flavors, so I'm not going to be doing them twice. Yeah, I guess let's start with the M&Ms. We also have Snickers and Kisses. Let's start with the M&Ms. I guess these ones you can find in Kenya. They are peanut M&Ms. Let me do the orange. They are not bad. Chocolate with peanut. I need more water. We have fudge brownies. Oh, I forgot to read the calories. 250 calories. Fudge brownies, 190 calories. Everything in the US has calories written in big numbers. Yeah, so let's try the fudge brownie. It tastes like a brownie. I like this one more than the peanut. Let's do the next one. Crunchy cookie, 180 calories. It's per serving, not per piece. So when you consume the whole of this pack, these ones are smaller, they're not huge. Let me compare the size. As you can see, it is very small. Let me compare with the fudge brownie. These ones are huge. Compare the size. Let me try the chunky cookie. Contradictory, chunky but they're tiny. I can't taste anything. Let me try another one. These ones are tiny. I guess that's why, because they're very small. Just like regular chocolate. Don't taste any other flavor in there. And last we have M&M's milk chocolate. Let's try this one. This one's also very small. Just like milk chocolate. I guess the smaller they are, the harder it is to taste the flavor. But this one, it's a bit, you can really taste the milk chocolate in them. But this one, it has 230 calories. We are done with the M&M's. Let's try the Reese's. Two peanut butter cups. I've watched so many videos on the Reese's. For the Reese's, it has 210 calories. So this is one of the Reese's cups. You can see it's like a cupcake, but it's tiny cupcake with chocolate all around. So let me try the Reese's for the first time. I've been wanting to try this for a very long time. It's really nice. I really like how it tastes. I think I'm gonna have all this. I can't really describe how it tastes. It's like peanut butter, but with some chocolate in it. It's a very, very interesting taste for me, and I really love it. So if you have somewhere that you can get the Reese's, go and try it. It's very nice for me, my taste. That's the candy I like. Let's try the chunky milk chocolate with peanuts and raisins. I don't like raisins. Let's try them. Let me get it all over the place so that you can see how it looks. It's like a chocolate bar, but they are chunky. Yeah, it's called chunky. So it's like a chocolate bar, but the pieces are chunky. Let me try one piece. So it has peanuts in the inside with the raisins. I don't like anything with the raisins, but I'm doing this for you guys. It was an interesting smell. It's not bad and it's not nice. I don't like it, but I don't hate it as well. And that's a very huge piece of chocolate. Yeah, as I said, it's not bad and it's not nice. For me, I don't like how it tastes and I don't hate it as well. So let's try another one to wash the taste down. Let's try the Kit Kat. I guess this one's also you can find here in Kenya. Did I read the calories in the chunky chocolate? 200 calories for this one serving. That's why they are chunky. 200 calories. For the Kit Kat, for this bar here, you have 210 calories. The packaging. Okay. It's really tight. The packaging is really tight, so it's really hard to get in there, but you're there. For the Kit Kat, I've tried. That's the only snack here that I've tried before, so I know how it tastes. Just Kit Kat. For those who know how it tastes, it's just Kit Kat. I can't really explain. It is chocolate on the outside with a wafer inside. We are almost done. For those of you who are still watching the video, hope you're enjoying. Make sure you're subscribed for more content like this. And we may ship some of these candies to you, to one of you subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed. Maybe doing a giveaway for some American candies to you guys. Let's try the Snickers. I've seen this. I know it is in Kenya, but I've not tried it before. So this is my first time trying Snickers. How many calories? 250 calories for this one bar. I'm gonna eat chocolate after this video. See, it's a bar. It's chocolate on the outside. It has some peanuts. I can taste some peanuts. What I get is peanut butter with some caramel inside. It's not bad, but I also don't. Something with peanuts. I like peanuts with themselves, not mixed with something else. That's why it is written milk, chocolate, peanuts, caramel, and nougat. What's nougat? Yeah, so I was right. It has milk, it has chocolate, peanuts, caramel, and nougat. I don't know what that is. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't like peanuts mixed with something else. I just like peanuts with themselves. So I guess we are done with most of the snacks here. We are remaining with sellers. This one I'll be doing last. Harley's cookies and cream, Cadbury Royal Dark Black Forest cake flavored, and the Cadbury Rock and Roll, Alice milk chocolate, and kisses. I guess I'll be trying this first. The packaging is interesting. This is how they are packaged. Let me move closer. This is how they are packaged, with this tag here saying cherry. Let me try it. So how do you open this? This one's also a chocolate. You can see how they look. They look like a hat. It tastes like medicine. I don't like how it tastes. I'm not going to have another one. Kisses. It tastes like medicine. So on to the next one. Let's do the two Harleys first, then we do the Cadbury's. We have the Harleys milk chocolate. How many calories? 220 calories. It's a chocolate bar. So let me, oh. As you can see, calories. The chocolate is really dense. I like the flavor. I like how it tastes. The chocolate is dense, as in, for one, what is it called? That piece that I've broken, you're getting a lot of chocolate in that one piece. It is very dense. Harley's cookies and cream. You have a drawing of how it looks in the inside. Let me show you. As you can see, this is how it looks, how it's supposed to look. I don't know how it looks. 220 calories. Do it Kenyan. The Kenyan way is the fastest way. Yeah, I guess it looks how it is in the packaging. It's not coming out. How it was packaged, how the drawing was in the package. It has some cookies in every bite with milk chocolate. Let me try. They taste like Oreos. It is delicious. I like this one more than the milk chocolate one. This one is more. Let me have another piece before we move on. This one is very nice. It tastes like Oreos. So let's move on to Cadbury. We have Rock and Road milk chocolate with roasted almonds and marshmallow flavored fudge. Kenyaji is the fastest way. I don't want this video to be very long, but I know it's already long. So if you've reached this point, thank you for watching. It has an interesting smell. Yeah, classic Cadbury. So this is milk chocolate with roasted almonds and marshmallow flavored fudge. Let's try it. I can feel the almonds, but I can't taste their flavor. I can't taste any marshmallow flavor. Just Cadbury chocolate as usual. I don't taste anything different, but I can feel the almonds inside, but I can't taste it. So this is the last Cadbury we had. Black Forest cake flavor, royal duck. I've taken a lot of sweets and my mouth is salivating. Let me do the Kenyaji style. I didn't read 150 calories for this Rock and Roll, 130 for this Black Forest cake. This one is dark. Oh, Black Forest. We didn't get a whole piece, but we're just trying it. Oh, it has some dark chocolate cake with flavor, cherry flavored fudge and cookie pieces. Oh, this one is interesting. This one is better. It is more flavorful than the other one. It's a bit bitter, but it's flavorful. I like it. So we are left with this big chunky one here. Sellers, quality since 1864. These are milk chocolates, delicious cherries covered with real milk chocolate. 22 foil wrapped cherries. Let me open this. You can already smell the chocolates after you've opened the wrapper, the outside wrapper. %100% liquid center. Oops. So this is how they look. Let me get this one that has already popped. It is said it has a liquid. It is sticky. I guess the liquids are starting to ooze out. This is how it looks. I don't know how to say. It has a real cherry inside with some liquid. I don't know what the liquid is, but it's just sweet, as you can see. You can pour down. Don't want to make a mess, so I'm going to have the whole of it. It's really not bad. It's still not great. Just an average. Well, so I didn't read the calories. 110 calories. For two pieces, 110 calories. And I guess that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making this video. It's a very delicious video, a very sweet video. And so guys, subscribe for more content like this. I said we might ship some of these candies to some of you guys who are subscribed. So subscribe, like the video, comment what you'd like us to try next, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.